Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you wear contacts, I'm sure you are like me and always looking for a good quality contact solution. So this Clear Care Plus contact solution works with hydrogen peroxide. It's a 3% solution. So when you use this, the hydrogen peroxide actually bubbles and helps to remove built up protein and debris and things that are trapped on your contact lenses. So it gives them a really, really good clean. So you want to use this with the provided contact lens case, not with a flat case. It has to have this kind. And when you put the contacts in, you can actually see the bubbling happen. So you do want to follow the instructions to allow the hydrogen peroxide to neutralize over 6 hours before you put your contacts back in. Otherwise, it could burn and sting a little bit. So you want to be careful about that. I have found that these do a great job of cleaning and hydrating my contact lenses. So I would definitely recommend this Clear Care Plus contact solution, and that's my point of view.